Ready? Ready. Okay, let's go. Hi guys, and welcome to the indoor edition. Let's go. This is the water bouncer.
Your love shine through so all the world can see. You've taken over me. Let me be a reflection.
This is the gallery shot.
All eyes on.
Oh!
All eyes on. All eyes on.
I try to do some tricks there.
You burn brighter than a million stars, and nothing can compare.
This is no looker.
Let me shadow you every second and everywhere. Let me step aside and put your name in lights.
This is long shot.
On you and everything I do, everywhere I move. Let your love shine through so all the world can see. You've taken over me. Let me be a reflection.
And a shot.
All eyes on. All eyes on.
This is difficult note. Was so easy. That was chocolate shot. Look at that.
Yeah, I was blind, but now I see. You gave it all to set me free. So every day
This is the trampoline double shot.
I live my life turning eyes on, eyes on. No matter where I am. No matter
So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for being here in this awesome location. Here you find our last video, and here you find the link to our Instagram account. Thanks for watching, bye bye!